Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe of my favorite dessert. So let's see what ingredients we need. We need 3 tins of cream, 1.5 packet of tea biscuits, half cup of milk, 2 sachets of dreamwhip, and 2 sachets of cream caramel. Now take a blender and add cream first. Add sachets of cream caramel. Sachets of dreamwhip. Add half cup of milk. Now blend it well. Now soak biscuits with milk and then arrange them into a bowl. Now add prepared cream. Add another layer of biscuit and then another layer of the cream. Add third layer of biscuit and third layer of cream. Now add chocolate syrup. Now refrigerate the dessert for about 2 hours. As you can see, dessert is ready. It is really delicious. Try it at home, it's really easy to make. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.